have 1,000 subscribers. We did it, boys and girls. We got our first 1,000. That is freaking hype. So freaking hype. Thank you guys so much. I didn't think I'd ever have 1,000 people watching my YouTube videos. That's awesome. And in honor of 1,000 subscribers, I guess we're gonna take this thing out. We're gonna go for a little ride, get us some fuel, come back, talk about the channel changes. Oh my god! And there's a car meet tonight. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's go. All right, hold on. Got shit all on my car, bro. Well, boys, I found my camera mount. Oh, hold on, I gotta do a big flex thing here and well, if it'll work. Will you shut? All right. We are taking the Mustang for a stroll. Yep. Get all the leaves off of it from the damn weather. Yeah, coming out slowly but surely. Alright. It's gonna be raw video of me driving my car, cuz. Damn, everybody out here today. Whistling. Give this bike a little whistle action. He didn't give two shits. That's what I notice a lot nowadays. Like after I sold my first Mustang and I was out of the game for a while, hell, even this one, like I've been to like 2 meets, 3 meets. There's a lot less people that are like into cars. I don't know if it's just, I don't know. It's like, I will drive this thing. Like my last one, I used to get a metric shit ton of attention, and maybe it was the color, it was more obvious. But that damn car would break necks. This one, like, people don't give a shit, and that, I mean, that's okay. I don't do it for them, but like, people do not give a shit. Also, I'm like really freaking hype on 1,000 subscribers. That's a lot of people. Like 1,000 people is like especially my town, like 1,000 people is a lot of people. You take 1,000 people and I swear you're taking like at least a quarter of the population. It won't be like that for long, but yeah, that's pretty much how it is. A quarter of the population of my town is subscribed to me on Instagram. I mean on YouTube, damn. And I don't know what it was about this car. Like I would just title my videos like 2022 Mustang GT. Like anytime I would type that in and upload it, like this shit would blow up. Like I have no idea. Like I had like 750 subscribers in like the first 3 or 4 months. I guess I was in the middle of building this and things just came to a screeching halt. Had some family problems and then everybody got COVID and then traveling, all sorts of shit. So that's kind of why the video stopped. I totally forgot about that part. But yeah, I'm super thankful that here we are. I've got a twin turbo Mustang. It's tuned, pretty much ready to go. I mean, all that's left is to turn it up. I don't know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Like aside from that, I don't really have anything action based yet. Maybe this thing will hit the strip. The only problem is like once you start going fast all the time is when you start breaking shit, and I don't want this thing to be like a crazy money pit. It's just cool to have, you know. That's all it's about really anyways for me. It's just I think it's cool and it puts a smile on my face, and I'm just here sharing it with y'all. I enjoy making videos on it, and I like answering y'all's questions, seeing what kind of builds y'all have. I follow y'all, a lot of y'all on Instagram. I've had a couple of y'all send me in your cars. I think that is cool as hell to me that y'all are having your own builds and whatnot, and that y'all are sending them to me to see. Like, oh hell nah. This cat wants to play cat and mouse. I can't do that. I had to speed up a little bit, but I ain't gonna chase nobody. Not with these tires. Not with these tires. He ain't even gonna let me get close to him though. I got these damn skinnies in the front. It turns sketchy as hell when you start trying to go fast. That shit's sick though. That shit's dope. I don't miss my damn exit, boy. I don't know what I was thinking. Now I gotta go way the fuck down here. That sucks. I kind of wish this car was a little bit louder. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to take off the mufflers and take off the cat bag. I think I said it in one of the last videos, but I'm thinking I might do it. And the only reason I don't is because I think the car sounds nice how it is. It's like, but it's on the quieter side. And I did get Corsa Sports for that reason, and lo and behold, I'm happy with these. But like, I want it to be just a hair louder. I think a damn straight pipe with a set of turbos sounds phenomenal. But that's just me. This car sounds freaking nasty, and I mean, you do hear the turbo sounds. So I'm kind of annoyed. Look, these people are idiots. He's obviously gonna come through here and people are still passing. Stupid. Anyways, I'm a little bit frustrated. That's probably why that bothered me so much. At the fact that I went and got my car washed. I just went into one of those, not like the automatic ones, it was one of the manual ones, and I just wanted to get a pre-rinse on the car to get it ready so I could spray wax it and everything, because the car's not dirty at all. I was just gonna go over it just to get all like anything that could have been on there off, you know. And I do so, and there is soap in the rinse. And then I tried the spotless, and there was still soap in it. So I've got soap all over my car, which it wasn't evident, like it didn't start coming out until after. So I guess one of the valves got stuck open or something. But yeah, it's a little, that kind of sucks a little bit. But hey, it is what it is. We're gonna go wash the car, get ready for this car meet that I really want to go to for whatever reason. I got fuel in the car. She's driving good, kinda. The damn balance is awful in these front wheels. So I'll probably take it back to them and see what they can do about it. But got my Monster up in here, feeling good. This shit looks good, cuz I had my brother detail it.